What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock. Guys, so let's do the price action analysis. I was talking about this potential flush coming on AMD and that may bring us down to almost $150. Are we gonna go to $150 down over here? So we'll talk about all of that in this video, and the price action and all in all the data as for just the sentiment of the stock, right? Like how this thing even has been building to the downside. So a lot to cover in this video. I would highly suggest if you want to check out some background information on AMD I did yesterday. This is when I talked about another flush coming soon, and I'll talk about the reasons again, like why that is usually the case. And check this video out, guys, to get some more background context here on my channel, okay, on the AMD. So guys, so talking about AMD here, what it has been doing on the daily interval is very quick. I'm going to go over this so that it's not a repetition. You have already seen this in my other videos. So we started to reject after breaking this trend line to the downside. We were rejecting constantly at 50 days moving average, even though there was some rebound as I expected. We got some of those rebounds, but it still just, well, eventually cratered lower, because that's where we have all these big resistances. I have done a video on AMD before talking about the confluences between bulls and the bears and how bears were ahead in that confluence. I did the point system with you guys, so check those videos out as well on my channel, okay? So, and we have then flushed after rejecting 50 days moving average and has come lower. Now yesterday I was talking about, hey, after this flush AMD is trying to stagnate here, starts to trying to find some base. However, the possibility of upside is very slim, even if it comes maybe only until intraday for 174, but it is still very bearish. It is still below 20 and 50 days moving average. We also have a crossover of 20 and 50 days moving average today with some flush strong volume. So guys, technically, yes, we are still in this continuous downtrend, and $150 is still the possibility. Not sure if this would happen this week. We only have 2 days left, but that will become like, this is already a move beginning, okay? There was this stagnation phase, some sort of rebound, and then a next phase of continuation is already about to continue to the downside. We'll take a look at hourly interval in just a second, but $162 and $160 range is the next area of a level, and if we lose that, it opens up the door to $150 almost down there. So let's go to the hourly interval and let's talk about the things over there, the price action. So you can clearly see that, as I was talking about, if AMD wants to become bullish again, it has to go above and recapture $174. However, it has failed to do that, and we lost the level to the downside. So this was the level 168.54. We lost that. We tried to rebound, found a rejection there, and have been selling off. It is not, if tomorrow you say, hey, Junior Trader, can AMD become bullish? Let me actually adjust something here, guys, real quick. Let me actually do the medium here on my indicator. And I might have to do high, but anyways, let's do high actually, because AMD has been making some big high moves. So yeah, all right, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, so if we want to become bullish again on AMD at this point, we need to capture, sorry, let's do the medium. I think medium suits better on AMD. Again, this is based off the volatility, guys. Again, if you have access to my tools, you will know how to use them. So because I have training videos around this. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts. Okay, so if AMD wants to recapture a bullish sentiment, it has to recapture tomorrow 168 and above. Otherwise, no. This is just another level of, if any rebounds come, it's still in the downtrend. We are very likely gonna continue lower to 162.56. And as I said, if we lose that, we can come down to 151. Right now, I'm not seeing any bullish structure on AMD. Not a single bullish structure on AMD right now, okay? Let's go to the 5 minutes interval. We can talk a couple of things over there as well. And here we have constant ridge. We did try to go a little bit up today, but we are still in that constant rejection at that moving average up there, our trend direction line, in other words. Day trading levels plus tried to give it a support twice today. However, it failed eventually, right? And that's why it's important to keep an eye on these levels. because support would come here, and if once we break, you can expect this to go to the next levels, right? And then you can see how once you start seeing it's crawling its way here at the level, you know it's gonna flush again. Guys, yeah, it's completely in the downtrend. Not a single thing that I can see on this that it can go to the upside. Not at least right now. Even the dashboard is shouting bearish, bearish, bearish. So now, yep, more downside can come on AMD, guys. It has still room to continue to fall, and this flush that we were talking about has begun. Okay. So while we are here, let's take a look at what Nvidia. I did a video on Nvidia this morning. I'll do another video on this once the market has closed. But just to tell you a little bit more about it here as well, that this is a little bit converting into bullish sign due to the Morgan Stanley also coming out with their upgrade to $1,000. But you can see this level that I talked about in my previous videos is 862, and Nvidia is still trying to hold this. Let's see if it closes above this, and I'll talk more about it when the market has closed as well. And SMCI, I'll do another video on this, but this is just around now that 50 days moving average. And I was, in my other videos, I was talking about the next play I would want to open is below 50 days moving average. I'll talk about it in another video. Yesterday I didn't get time because I didn't open any position yesterday on this, and my previous position is already closed that I provided update already in my other videos of SMCI. So, but right now, well, if I have opened or any play as it's developing, what I can tell you right now, I don't have any play opened yet on it. I'll talk about the reasons. But yes, this was the next area that I was looking for a short play, and what I'm waiting for. I'll talk about this in another video of AMD SMCI that I'll do. But this was mostly for AMD, guys. I want to focus with you in this video. So yep, last hour is usually when market volatility will come again, and that's the last hour of the market now. So let's see how low it goes. I can see some sell-off already has started to happen on, again, poor Tesla. Check my morning video out on Tesla. That will give you a lot more understanding of what manipulation analysts are doing. QQQ, verge of collapsing, almost there. And SPY is also, yeah, these are breaking structures, guys. I have been saying these are the distribution phase, expect downside. We are just about to get all of that. Well, guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.